Joe has done feeding all the horses, and now it's time to release them out on the fields so they can graze fresh grass and socialize and hang out together for many hours. We let them out, yeah. For how many? 7 hours, yeah. So it's Jared and Ashara. Now he's picking up Arthur. That's a flower. It's a flower. So, yeah, the horses here, they're very cute when they walk together. Yeah, so they're not fighting each other or anything. They just, yeah, walking along with Joe. Serena, หนูใส่กางเกงผิดด้านนะ This is how it looks when you let your daughter dress herself. It's on backwards. Hi, Ms. Come on. So, this is the shortest way to let them out on the fields. So we go through. Go through here. And then out here. She's like, there's something in the water? Hmm? So, here we are refilling with fresh water for the horses. And yeah, it's a big field for them to roam and enjoy fresh grass. Yeah. This is our youngest daughter. Now it's Elisa. I call her the princess of the club. And she is my horse actually, so I ride her most of the time when we go out riding. And she is the mother of the stallion of the club. And that's her daughter. Be my in Thai means New Year. So I think she was named Be My due to she was born around New Year's. Stella! She likes running outside the farm looking for food or something to eat outside. Be My, she's very nice now, very gentle and calm. She's like, oh, I want to walk slowly. ขาหน้าเขาตึงหน่อยไหม Looks like her front leg is a bit lame actually. Ah, okay. Joe says that he just did her hooves yesterday, so she's just a bit sensitive. จับดีๆนะลูก Over here is Lily and Simba. Ooh. จ้าลูก
อยากเอาอันนี้ไปไม่เดือนลูกไปโดนโคกม้าลนไป
When the rainy season is over, we will brush these cowboy fences and paint them new again, so it looks fresh and white again. But that's the thing with the south of Thailand or in Asia, where there's a lot of rain and humidity. It only takes 1 year, 1.5 years, and then it's all turned to grayish, greenish with algae and so it does require a lot of maintenance. But this will be a nice project for us to brush it clean again and paint it white. Our coconut tree is growing, eh? These are pandan leaves. In Thailand, we use it mostly for desserts or tea. Sometimes food as well. Cooking rice. If you put like one of these with the rice, it will give a very nice fragrant rice. นี่ใบเตยอะลูก Yeah. So let's see next up. Isabella and Hermes. ฝึกอะไรอ่ะ So Joe is training Hermes every morning before going out.
ยกขา
So he's lifting every leg and stretching, kind of horse yoga. So yeah,
ได้ทำเกือบทำเล็บเช็คเล็บตรวจเล็บง่าย
yeah. So Joe is every day training Hermes to get used to being touched everywhere. So in the future, when we start making his hooves, it will be easier to do that because he's already used to getting touched everywhere. And so as for mares with foals, we have a special paddock for them, our field paddock. So they are on how to say it. So this is their field to go roaming and eating. So normally they are here together until the foal is 6 months and has weaned off, and then they will be released together with the rest of the herd in the big field. But for now, Hermes, he's only soon 5.5 months, so he still have some time here with his mommy and before we start weaning him off. Let's see, next up is Apollo. So Apollo, he's so allergic to flies and the weather here in the south, the humidity. So Joe had to be very creative to find ways to make fly repellents and try to help his skin get better. But yeah, he's much better now. But before he didn't look too good. Yeah, there's some horses do not react so much to flies, and some horses do, just like humans, I guess. So here we got Apollo, Artemisia, and Venus. Oh, Venus' belly is quite big now. Well, Venus, she's pregnant, so you can see that her belly is bigger now. Look, kapan sih look. Elisa, oh, Apollo. Yeah, you can see Elisa and Apollo, they are best friends right now.
Mama,
So they are always together.
look now.
Princess ยังไม่3 ปีเลยยังอีก3 เดือนได้3 ปีตัวใหญ่มาก
So yeah, this is Arabian princess. She is not even 3 years. She's 2 years and 9 months. So she's very tall.
162
Yeah, she's 162 centimeters. So she's very tall and has a very nice body. And Valencia behind her, she is pregnant and giving birth next month. Her due date is on the 2nd. So yeah, just a couple of more weeks. So we are excited to be receiving a new foal. And it will be her first foal, so we hope everything will go well. It says taking it slow. You can see. Now all the fillies, mares, and geldings are out roaming together. They do have a peaceful life here, and they get a lot of space and freedom. And we can see that reflected in their behavior or in their mood, because they are mostly very kind and gentle and loving. And I think that's due to how their daily lives are. So they're allowed to go outside to be social and roam and graze grass, or just be horses.
Mama.
And then after 7 hours outside, we will take them in for the evening and night, and they will get their dinner, fresh grass and water. And last but not least, the stallion. He's waiting for Joe to let him out. Rocky, he's actually a very cute and kind stallion. In the beginning he was a bit like naughty, like tried to nibble here and there. And just being a cheeky stallion. But as older he grew, he just has become more and more calm and just very kind and calm stallion. And he doesn't nibble or anything anymore. So it's either due to age or that he's just in a good environment. So this is early morning end of routine. So the first routine is to make food and clean up the stalls and get the horses ready to be released. So now you get to see the last part of our morning routine. All the horses are out and can be social and have a nice day outside. that's, yeah, the end of our morning routine. So we really do appreciate that you like our video, leave a comment, and if you're not already subscribed, so please do subscribe. It will help out our channel to grow, and that more people that loves Arabian horses, farm life, and yeah, can get to see and get to know our horses.